The alarm goes off. John has a very important meeting to be at. John quickly leaves the house, gets into his car, and tries to make the meeting on time. He has a long way to go, but is also pressed for time. Whenever we're in a hurry, things tend to go wrong. The first bad surprise comes from the gas. John drives to the station and gets his gas. He's gone through dangerous paths to make his payment. While racing with time, he comes across the line in the market. The line is long, and John's running out of time. Meanwhile, John cannot ignore the possibility that his personal belongings just might get stolen from his car. Being late for the meeting becomes inevitable. However, if our hero John had used CardTek Fuel, he would have found the closest gas station near him. The station recognizes John's car automatically and prompts the CardTek Fuel application in John's smartphone. Went there and entered the amount of gas he wanted to buy. With 3D Secure, he would have completed the payment while sitting in his car with the PIN code sent to him. John would just buy his gas without waiting in the cold and continue on his way. CardTek Fuel App, which knows how precious time is, allows you to make your gas payments with a single click without you leaving your car.